Hi my dear friends, here in this video I am going to demo how to download GCC, that is GNU Compiler Collection, to run C or C++ program in Windows operating system. I'm opening Google and search GCC Compiler. Click on this mingw.org. Here we can see downloads. So here you can see MinGW's get setup.exe. Click on that. Once after download, double click on that and click on install. Going with default configuration is good enough for most of the cases. So I am clicking continue. Click on continue. C++ compiler, mark for installation. I have maximized the window. Here we can see different packages to be installed. To run C++, basically we need this GNU C++ compiler. Right click and mark that particular thing for installation. After selecting the required packages, go to the installation, apply changes. Here we can see apply. So now G++ package is getting installed. It takes some time to download and install. All changes were applied successfully. Now we can close. Open a command prompt, right click here and Windows PowerShell, or you can see command prompt. Now type G++ hyphen version. So we are getting this particular message. Okay, so go to C drive, MinGW folder, bin, copy this particular path, set this path in the environment variable, right click here and here we can see system, search for edit system environment variables. Here we can see environment variables. Double click on the path or click on here or click edit. Here we need to add a new path. We have already copied the path for MinGW bin folder, paste it there and click OK, OK, and click OK. I'm closing this PowerShell and opening the PowerShell, or you can see command prompt. Type G++, that is C++ compiler. I want to see the version of C++ compiler installed. So here we need to use double hyphen. Okay. Now we can see 9.2.0. Now we have installed compiler. Next we can write C or C++ program and we can use G++ compiler to compile C++ program. That we'll be doing in the next tutorial. Thanks for watching this.